Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. KSR Radhika, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In the subject Embedded Systems, now we are going to discuss 8051 instruction set. The instruction set of 8051 can be classified as the following types: data move instructions, arithmetic instructions, logical instructions, branch and subroutine instructions, bit manipulation instructions. Now we will see all the instructions in detail. The first one is data moves. The 8051 instruction set we can perform certain data moves. The mnemonics are given in the table. Move is the mnemonic used for moving the data, MOV. So the first one, MOV A comma R1. So R1 is the register of 8051 and the data of R1 register is moved to the accumulator register. So this is the operation that is performed with this instruction. The next one is move A comma add. Add is a label here. So here what will happen is the content of the label add is moved to the accumulator register. Next, move A comma at the rate some RP. So here what will happen is at the rate means here suppose if this register contains some address of some 2000, then the data at the memory address 2000 is moved to the accumulator register. So that is it is the directly not the 2000 is moved, but the data at the address 2000 is moved to the accumulator register. Next one is move A comma hash n. So move A comma hash n means hash means here directly the content of the content in this n, that is the data. For example, if you say some 10, so that means what will happen? The 10 will be moved to the accumulator register. That is the data n will be, that is the data, directly the data will be moved to the accumulator register. But here what will happen? The content at that particular location will be moved to the accumulator register. So similarly move R comma A. So that means here the accumulated data is moved on to the register R1. Similarly move R1 comma add. So that means here add is a label. So here the content of the add will be moved to the R1. Similarly move R1 comma hash n means what? Here what will happen? The directly the data n will be moved to the R1 register. Similarly move add comma A. So the accumulator register data will be moved to the label add. So these are certain other example instructions for the move. For example, if you take the stack operations, stack means last in first out. So for that one the operations of stack are push and pop. So for push and pop you can use for the stack operations you can, in order to move the data from the stack and to put the data onto the stack, you can use these two instructions, that is push and pop. So push what will happen? So the content in the label add, will be pushed onto the stack. Pop means pop add means the content, the top of the stack, whatever the content at the top of the stack, that is moved onto the label add, so that it can be used for later purposes. So these are certain data move operations for the instruction set 5081. Another type of instructions are arithmetic instructions. Arithmetic instructions are mainly used to perform the arithmetic operations on the data. So here also accumulator register is one of the operator. So here if you see the different arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, division, increment, decrement, something like this. So here if you see add is used for addition, add a comma r1. So that means here the accumulator register, the content of accumulator register and the register R1 both are added, and then the result is moved to the accumulator register. The next one is add a comma add. Here this small add is a label. So here the contents of the accumulator register are added with the contents that are available in the label add, and then the result is again stored in the accumulator register. Next, add a comma at the rate rp. So here at the rate means it is an address. So it takes the address at that particular location, and those two contents are added, and the result is again sent to the accumulator register. This is hash n, means here directly the content n. Directly the content n is added to the to the accumulator register, and the result is stored in the accumulator register. So these are add C means with the carry. Next one is for subtraction, you can use sub, SUBB. So sub a comma r1. So means a minus r1 minus carry. So these are used for, so this is with register, this is with some label, and this is with some memory address, and this is with direct data. So this is how you can perform the subtraction in 8051. And the next one is increment and decrement. So for increment, it is INC is used. So INCA means here what will happen? INCA means the accumulator register is incremented by 1. So that means it is added with a plus 1, and the result is stored in a. And next, suppose if you say INCR, the R1 is incremented by 1, and the result is stored in R1. Next, increment add. The contents of add label is incremented by 1, and again it is stored in add. So this is address of some RP. That means at the rate of some RP means it is some memory address. So for example, if the address is 4001, then it will be incremented by 1, and again that will be stored at the same location, that is RP. So that means it will become 4002. So these are for increment, and these are for decrement you can use DEC. DEC means decrement A. So that means the accumulator register is decremented by 1, and the result is stored in accumulator A. Decrement DEC R1. So it is decremented, the R1 register is decremented by 1, and DEC add means the contents of add are decremented by 1. This is memory address. Memory address memory address in R is decremented by 1. Similarly, you can also perform multiplication, MUL, AB, A into B. Similarly, you can perform division, DIV, AB, that is A by B. So these are the instructions to perform arithmetic operations. The next one is logical operations. So logical operations, generally the logical operations are AND, OR, exclusive OR, NOT. All these are logical operations. For AND, ANL is used. AND, ANL, A comma R1. So that is the result of A and R1. The logical operation A and R1 is performed, and then the result is given to A. Similarly, A AND. So here AND is a label and A is accumulator register. A and add label. So this is again memory address. Next one is hash means directly it is the data. Hash and means it is directly treated as data. So this is how you can perform the AND operations. Next one is OR, ORL, 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 A comma R1. So A or R1. It is the result is given to A, that is accumulator is ORL A comma add. Add is a label here. So the content of the add label and the content of A, or the content of A or the content of add is performed and result is given to A. ORL A at the rate R. That means here this is at the rate means address. Hash means it is directly the data. So like this you can perform the OR operations. Next one is exclusive OR. Exclusive AND means and evaluates to true if all the conditions are true, and OR evaluates to true if any one is true or both are true. But exclusive OR is it evaluates to true only if anyone if both are false or both are true, it is false. Then exclusive OR you can use XLR. XLR means XLR is used XLR A comma R1. So that is exclusive OR XOR R1. Similarly A add XRL A at the rate RP. So these are for different that is directly register some label, some memory address, directly some data like this. Next to CPL complement, that is the data in the accumulator register is complemented. NOP, that is the PC instruction is incremented by, that is NOP means no operation, to the next one. Next RL, that is rotate left A. So the contents of A are rotated left. This is RLC means rotate left with carry. This is RR means rotate right. RRC means rotate right with carry. So next one is swap. So these are the logical instructions in 8051. Next, calls and jumps. So whenever if you want to move or jump from one location to another location, you can use these mnemonics. AC all. That is the PC is the program counter is incremented by 2. And so these are the different call. For example, if you take jump is used for jumping from one location to another location. So these are different calls and jumps. And the next one is Boolean operations. For Boolean operations, you can use ANL, CLR, ORL, move, setB. These are the different Boolean operations that can be performed on 8051 instruction set.